It is January 1st of 2024 in the mid-afternoon, and this is a site characterization video of the Phelps Preserve opportunity. And we are looking at the proposed footprint from south of its south edge. In other words, about 20 feet from where it would start. So we would have this mowed parking area up to about where the mowing ends, and then the forest would be installed from width to width across this footprint. I'm continuing north into the footprint. We can see we're working with an incumbent canopy, especially around the edges. We have pine, magnolia, cedar, and on the ground story we have a lot of grass underlain by thatch, and then Caesar weed and some viney elements as well. Let me back this off a little bit. And so now we're about a third of the way into the quarter-acre footprint that's been delineated, helpfully delineated by Damon Moore, based on his analysis of the best opportunity of this property and unrestricted by easement constraints. Notice in the middle of the proposed footprint is a pine island, if you will. Two large pines that are already, they're evidently dead and will be prominent and wonderful snags for 5 to 15 years. And then our footprint continues north, kind of getting pinched into a narrow, shady area on both sides of the pine island, if you will. And then we have a large broadleaf, not positive what that is, in the middle of what I would call the north lobe of our prospective forest. So I'm very close to the northern boundary, which would be defined by the cabbage palms and lower oaks. Here we'd have a cabbage palm right in the middle, and then now we are very close to the north end, looking south east of the pine island, and you can see that there's a lovely trail to work with. We'll of course protect that trail per the property owner's requests, but change its character quite a bit to be dark and shady, cool, notably cool, and have a thicket habitat to attract a different class of birds. So that is our characterization of the Phelps Preserve footprint, and I offer it for everyone's review and consideration.